Think back to your last resort stay. What if you never had to leave? This villa had everything to live resort style every day. An aquarium style pool, a spa, and a jacuzzi on the rooftop. And all of this 2 steps away from the beach. Start your permanent vacation today.